Are you tired of feeling left behind when it comes to the stock market? Do you wish you had access to the same data and insights as the big hedge funds? Well, you're in luck. Introducing Prospero, the free AI-powered tool that is leveling the playing field for everyday investors. With industry-beating predictions that have outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 5 years, through short surveys and anonymized data from the community, Prospero continuously updates its predictions, giving you an edge in fast-changing markets. In this video, we'll dive deeper into Prospero's features and explore how it can help you make smarter investment decisions. The team at Prospero recognized a larger problem in the investment industry: the lack of transparency and fairness for everyday investors. Despite the stock market being the best place to put your money, investing can be complicated and unfair. Luck is often confused with genius, and retail investors often feel the brunt of market corrections because they don't have access to the same tech and data that hedge funds do. That's where Prospero comes in. Founded by a disillusioned Wall Street hedge funder, Prospero was created to level the playing field in investing by reducing the outsized advantage financial institutions have over retail investors. The team at Prospero believes that collectively, everyday people know more than hedge funds do, and they've created a platform to harness this collective intelligence. With Prospero's free app, retail investors can now access industry-beating predictions and signals based on AI recommendations. Over the last 5 years, Prospero's predictions have significantly outperformed the S&P 500. And the best part? The app has no ads and never shares your personal data with anyone. You can take daily surveys, search for stocks, and explore signals to understand market movements and harness investment opportunities. Prospero's ultimate goal is to close the wealth gap and eliminate the lack of fairness in the investment industry by empowering users and providing greater transparency. The team at Prospero envisions a world where everyday people work together, anonymously sharing their data to help create trading insights that are far more powerful than any currently in use by institutional investors. Join the movement and download Prospero today to be a part of the future of investing. The app gathers collective intelligence around stock and market sentiment through a set of short surveys that both users and the community can fill out. The survey answers are fully anonymized and kept private and encrypted, with no ties back to individual users. While the surveys are not mandatory, they help Prospero give users more effective insights. Prospero also uses signals to help users understand market movements and identify investment opportunities. There are two main signal categories: short-term drivers, which provide perspective on a stock and are best used for strategies of next week to 1 month, and long-term drivers, which inform strategies on buying and holding for 6 months to multiple years. Prospero can analyze news articles and financial statements to identify trends and patterns that may affect stock prices and provide industry-beating predictions based on those insights. But that's not all. Prospero also offers a range of features to help you optimize your investing strategy, including short-term and long-term signal drivers, daily surveys to collect intelligence around stock and market sentiment, and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to search for stock. And with no ads and a commitment to privacy, you can rest easy knowing that your personal data will never be shared or used for marketing purposes. Join the thousands of investors already using Prospero to take control of their investments and close the wealth gap. Download the app today and start making better investment decisions for your future. When you download Prospero, there are 3 primary actions you can take. First, take the daily survey, which asks a variety of questions used to generate predictions. Second, search for stocks to see recommendations based on the app's signals, or search for a specific stock to view both long-term and short-term predictions. Finally, explore Prospero signals to learn what each signal predicts and how to use it to optimize your investment strategy. While Prospero aims to provide accurate predictions to help you make informed investment decisions, there are inherent risks involved in investing in the stock market. Prospero's predictions are based on historical data and market trends, but there are numerous external factors that can impact the market and individual stocks. Prospero's AI-powered signals and recommendations are not foolproof, and there is always a chance that your investments may not perform as expected. Another risk to consider when using Prospero is the potential for data breaches or cyber attacks. While Prospero ensures that all user data is encrypted and anonymized, no online platform is completely immune to cyber threats. It is important to take steps to protect your personal information and investments, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. While Prospero provides valuable insights and recommendations for investors, it is important to recognize its limitations. Prospero's predictions are based on historical data and market trends, which may not always be an accurate reflection of future performance. Additionally, Prospero's AI-powered signals and recommendations may not take into account unexpected external factors that can impact the market, such as natural disasters or political events. Another limitation is that it may not be suitable for all investors. While the app aims to empower everyday investors, it is important to understand your own investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation before making any investment decision. It is always recommended to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before investing. Prospero is constantly improving its AI-powered signals and recommendations to provide users with the most accurate and up-to-date information possible. The app regularly incorporates feedback from its user base to improve its survey questions and better understand market sentiment. Additionally, Prospero's team of experts continually monitors the stock market and updates its algorithms to adapt to changing market conditions. This ensures that users are always receiving the most relevant and valuable insights to help them make informed investment decisions. In conclusion, Prospero is a free tool that empowers retail investors with AI-powered signals and recommendations to help them make informed investment decisions. While there are inherent risks involved in investing in the stock market, Prospero has a proven track record of outperforming the S&P 500 in providing users with industry-beating prediction. However, it is important to recognize the limitations of Prospero's predictions and understand your own investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decision. By using Prospero's tools and doing your own research, you can take control of your financial future and work towards achieving your investment goals.